Attention all aspiring CISF constables and drivers. Are you ready to take the next step towards your dream job? The Central Industrial Security Force CISF is about to release the admit cards for the Constable Driver Exam 2025, and it's time to get prepared. But here's where it gets controversial, or at least where some might find it a bit tricky. The CISF Admit Card 2025 will be your ticket to the exam, and it's crucial to understand how to obtain it. So let's dive into the process and ensure you don't.
Yes, it's that simple. Once the admit cards are released, you'll be able to access them directly from the CISF's website. But don't worry, we've got a step-by-step guide to make the process a breeze. First, visit the CISF's official website, cisf.gov.in. Then, navigate to the Admit Card section on the homepage. Look for the CISF Constable Driver Admit Card 2025 link and click on it. Enter your registration number, date of birth, and the CAPTCHA code, and voila! Your admit card will be ready for download.
The age limit for these positions is between 21 and 27 years, with age relaxation as per the rules. The application fee is 100 rupees for UR, EWS, and OBC candidates, while SC/ST candidates are exempted. So, are you ready to take on this challenge? The CISF is waiting for your application, and the admit cards are just around the corner. Stay tuned and don't forget to visit the official website for all the important updates and details. Good luck, and may your journey towards becoming a CISF Constable driver be a successful one. P.S. Don't forget to check out our 100% free AI interview practice tool to prepare for your upcoming exams. It's a great way to boost your confidence and ace those interviews. Now, here's a thought-provoking question for you. What do you think are the most challenging aspects of the
We'd love to hear your insights and create a community of aspiring CISF professionals.